1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ha. Okay, so this robot hand has not defeated me yet. Rock, paper, scissors. Now this is Analyst Choice Award-winning and indeed China Daily Innovation Award-winning product from Beijing-inspired robots technology. Yeah. And here's Mr. Chen Xi to tell us a little bit about this innovative product, how it works and who it's for.
Okay.
So
our product is mainly in the this is robot hand and the linear actuators, because it's compact and installed inside its hand, so it's very powerful and also human-like. Mm-hmm. And it is possible to show off the gesture like the human, because each finger got one actuator, so they can move independently. And we also mobilized a force sensor to control the grab force, so it can grab the hard things like a bottle or maybe a cup, and also the same like maybe tofu or some fruit, like grape. The very soft things.
Right. Yeah. Without breaking them. Right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Now, so how is this different and new compared to like previous prosthetic or robot hands that existed before?
Okay. So firstly, we can compare with the other service level robotic hand. We have the ability to actually control the things or do the walks. Yeah, because the grab force is around 2 to 3 kg force.
Oh, so it's much stronger as well as
yeah, it's much more stronger. So can hold the full bottle of wine. Yeah. And compared with the other level, maybe the industry level is very cheap.
Oh, that is an advantage.
So that can be installed in other service robots. Because if you got an industrial level, maybe the cost of one hand is much more than the whole body of the robot.
I see.
And another use is to help the disabled people, like when you lose your limb or your hand, you can use it. Okay, it's another work.
Another one. And and they would just kind of plug it into the prosthetic that they would have, and use, like nerve connections, I think is how it works. I'm not an expert, clearly. But you mentioned it's cheaper, so what kind of, I guess it's hard to do FOB prices for this kind of thing, but I mean, what's your sort of an MOQ for a robot hand? How much does it cost?
Okay, generally this is in the small bunch of production, so the price is slightly higher because some works needed, because it needs some hand works. So now the sales price is around $4,000 each walk. And I think without 1 year, the price will be about 2,000 USD.
That's a big drop.
Yeah, that will be a big drop because some molding or some tools will be invited. Right, and used to produce this one.
Right, as you're hitting economies of scale,
make it more affordable.
Fantastic. All right, well, I'll grab that back from you if you don't mind. So there you go. That is, thank you very much, Mr. Chen. This is from, I need to read it again, Beijing-inspired robots.